My name is Kevin, and today we'll be multiplying binomials, and the binomials have square roots in them. So our equation is 5 times the square root of x minus 4 times the square root of y. Now that's times by 5 times the square root of x plus 4 times the square root of y. So just like any regular binomial, we're going to want to FOIL them. So when we FOIL them, we take the first term, 5 times the square root of x, and multiply it by the first term of the second binomial, which is 5 to the square root of x. Then we take the first term again, 5 times the square root of x, multiply it by the second term, which is 4 times the square root of y. And then we do the same, but with the second term of the first binomial. So what we get when we times 5 to the square root of x times 5 times the square root of x is 25 times the square root of x squared. Now we can multiply those x squares because the index is the same. So once we get our FOILed equation, we're going to want to add our like terms. So we can see that the 20 times the square root of xy can be subtracted by the 20 times the square root of xy. And that leaves us with the 25 times the square root of x squared minus 16 times y squared. Now our next step that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take out those squares. And it just so happens that we can remove the x squared and the y squared completely. So what we are left with is 25x minus 16y. And now, although 25 and 16 are square roots, we cannot square root them because they do not have a radical over them. So that is our final answer.